2002 Mazda B3000 fuel pump replacement. First step, you're gonna take a T55, you're gonna take out this bolt, the bolt across from it, this bolt, the bolt across from it, and then you're gonna break these loose and go an inch or two up, but keep them threaded in. Oh, and of course, first remove the bed liner. Next up, 5.5 millimeter socket. Take out these 3 screws. And right there. And next up, you're just gonna start disconnecting hoses. Definitely a pain to kind of wiggle it out of there, but once you get her out, you're golden, man.